Hi, my name is Adonijah Ayele. I'm from Ethiopia and I'm an Ascend Foundation student. When someone asks me what I'm doing for college, there's usually a bit of confusion, but I tell them that I'm doing this online Christian program through this school called Unbound. For me in high school, the biggest challenge I think for me was that I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do. Even the things I thought I wanted to do, I didn't know if they were right for me. One thing about Ascend and specifically Navigate, which is one of the courses in Ascend, is that it helped me to learn how to make decisions well and to understand God's will for my life. The reason I enrolled in Ascend is because in 2023 I was able to visit Apex, and it was a surreal experience for me. I fell in love with the community and with all aspects of the just Unbound's mission and their goals and everything they had to learn at Apex that year, and I wanted more of it. I think the biggest benefit for me enrolling in Ascend is I now, although I don't know all of the questions for what I want to do for the future, what I'm supposed to do, I have a peace about not knowing, and I'm ready to move forward in my life with the understanding that God has me where He wants me, and I need to focus on what He wants me to do the next step. I think for me, the biggest challenge is time management on my part, because I'm still a senior in high school, so it's been a bit of a challenge to manage my schedule with my Ascend classes and my high school classes, but it's been a challenge in a good way for me. So my Ascend project is I want to write, record, mix, master an entire album and release it onto Spotify of my own original songs. And I chose this because I have a background in music production, and I want to take the next step in my career and start and to, become an official Spotify artist and to grow as an artist and a musician. When I first started Ascend, I knew it was going to be an extra challenge. It was going to be a lot of work. I didn't quite realize how much it was going to be, and what I would tell for people considering Ascend is it's a lot of work. It's probably more work than you realize, but it's also way more fulfilling work to do than I ever realized it was going to be. And the things I've learned have vastly outweighed the struggles I've went through.